Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to disable personal advertisements in Bumble. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. And right now, we just want to disable personal advertisements. At the top left, you'll see a profile picture along with your name. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Initially, you'll be in the edit profile section. Well, there are settings, contact and FAQs, logout, and do note that you can buy Bumble Boost and Bumble Premium from right here. But we're only gonna focus on contact and FAQs right now. I'm just gonna click on the button right here, and something like this will open up. Well, here are some useful links like FAQs, terms of service, privacy policy, contact us, and finally, the thing we're looking for, advertising preferences. As you can see, currently it's enabled, and right now I just want to disable it. I'm gonna click on this button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we disable personalized advertisements in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.